What is mean by marketing? Let me explain like this. Let's say you are launching a new energy drink. You create attractive design, showcasing its benefit. That's we call advertising. Now, the same product you are distributing at a gym free of charge. What we call that is promotion. You are going to sponsor a fitness event and you ask media to write about it. That we call publicity. Now, you manage to get the participants to share the feedback about your new energy drink. That is also through social media. We call them PR. Finally, if you inform consumers about the whole experience, the various flavors, boost from this new energy drink, we call them sales. Now, when you organize all of these together, you call it marketing.
onlineaccounting.lk